Hello chicks! It's time for us to do our sound of the week. So let's have a look at all the sounds that we've learnt so far. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. Shh, said the horse to the hissing snake. Thank you. Achoo! A thing on a string. I think I stink. A, may I play? E, what can you see? I, fly high. O, blow the snow. Oo, poo at the zoo. Look at a book. R, start the car. Or, shut the door. And can anybody remember our sound of the week? It's air. Air. That's not fair. Air. That's not fair. Do you remember Fred had a big plate of treats, didn't he? And he wouldn't give any to me. And I said, that's not fair. And then he gave me a chocolate biscuit, didn't he? So that was good. Now, yesterday we had a go at doing 2 words that had the air sound in. Do you remember? We learned the word st, air, stare. And we learnt the word air, like the air we breathe. Now today we're going to have a look at 2 more words. So the first word we're going to read is this one. Can you help me? What's this sound? Ooh, and then I've highlighted the sound air. Ooh, air, lair. Lair is a funny word, isn't it? You might not have heard that word before, but a lair means a place where an animal lives, like this cave. That's a lair. What kind of animal do you think lives in this lair? Maybe a bear or a lion? Here's a picture of a real lair, and there's a lion inside. I don't think I'd want to go in that lair, would you? No, a bit dangerous. So let's have a look at the next air word. You see this sound? That's a air. Air, fair. You might have been to a fair before, a fairground. Sometimes they have rides at fairs, don't they? We also use the word fair if we're talking about if something's fair or not. Like the mummy that had all of the cakes and biscuits and the children said, that's not fair. So now we know 4 words, don't we, that have the air word. Stare, air, lair, and fair. And we'll learn some more words tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Bye chicks.